My name is Sailaja. I am from Bangalore. Last 6 years, I am Dhruti Yoga family member. Before yoga, I face lot of health issues. As a housemaker, I want to manage my children, my parents, and housework. So I feel anxiety, stress, and some digestion problems also. I am always going to doctors to consult and take medicines also. One of my friend advised to join yoga. So I joined Dhruti Yoga. After joining Dhruti Yoga, I myself changed a lot. Before any problem is came, I think so much. Of 1 hour yoga and yoga sadhana, my consultation with doctors and medicines also come down. Before yoga, my confidence levels and patience also very less. After joining yoga, my confidence and patience also increased a lot. Yoga Nidra also very useful for me. This change basically came from yoga only. Thanks to Dhuti Yoga Center, thanks to Gurus also. Hari Om.